Welcome to Fast Floor Screed Ltd, Ireland's leading screeding contractor. We specialise in the supply and fit of liquid screeds and have a range of products that suit virtually any domestic, commercial or retail project. Liquid screeds, also called self-smoothing screeds, are best for achieving level surface finishes. Liquid screeds can be placed when the buildings are at an advanced stage, are weather-tight and internal plastering is finished. Liquid screeds can be used for re-levelling uneven floors, for acoustic solutions placed on proprietary acoustic insulation, and is particularly suited for applications over underfloor heating. We have a comprehensive range of products to suit various depths for your flooring project. Our experience and standard of workmanship is second to none, and the purchase in 2015 of a purpose-built computerized Mobile Screed Factory ensures we can produce a CE-certified floor screed at your site anywhere in Ireland. New building regulations brought out in 2014 require all building products to be CE marked, and installers must have proof of competence. At Fast Floor Screed Ltd, we are B-Car ready. Our most versatile and most commonly used product is our Sudanit 280 Alpha Hemihydrate Floor Screed. Our sands, a blend of 6mm aggregate and fine sands, are sourced in Kildare and are CE certified. Now let's show you where we source the main ingredient of our screed, our industry-leading Alpha Hemihydrate compound. Alpha Hemihydrates are produced using various grading of naturally mined raw gypsum, selected specifically for this purpose. The natural gypsum is mined by Cassia in Elrich, from the purest rock available in Europe, in the heart of the Nordhausen district of Germany. The rock formation is blasted to access the purest rock veins, before being excavated by industrial quarry equipment and then transported to the primary crushing plant, where it's broken up in crushers, screened, separated according to product line, and then stored until it is needed for further processing. What makes Hemihydrate Screed so special is its composition. Developed in Europe's most advanced laboratories, then tried and tested over many years of successful application. Our screed is made out of calcium sulfate from a completely natural source, and this provides unique benefits over less advanced compounds. When processed, Sudanit 280 is either bagged in 25 kg 1-ton bags or temporarily stored in huge bulk silos, ready for bulk dispatch across Europe. Smet Building Products Ltd, with the use of their fleet of bulk tankers, supply Fast Floor Screed with Sudanit 280 Alpha Hemihydrate compound directly from Elrich to our facility at Enfield in Kildare. The bulk powder is dispensed into the Fast Floor Screed Mobile Screed Factory into a sealed tank. Our certified sands are loaded by excavator in a separate hopper on board our truck. The Mobile Screed Factory is a fully automated computerized batching plant where the materials are precisely weighed and measured to produce Sudanit 280 Alpha Hemihydrate Screed to a consistently high quality. The computerized batching process allows us to meet CE EN 13813 performance requirements on each pour. We are specialists in our trade, registered with the Construction Industry Register Ireland, and both product performance and product installation is in strict accordance with BS 82047, and we comply with B-Car building regulations, meeting both designer, certifier and client's requirements. Levels are set using a tripod system with adjustable base plates. Levels are transferred from given datum by laser level to each tripod, ensuring an even level floor is achieved throughout. Datum level is usually taken from door threshold, allowing for final floor covering, tiles, wooden floors, etc. The substrate must be clean and may need to be vacuumed, as dust or debris will float to the surface of liquid screeds. BS 8204 Part 7, the Code of Practice for Self-Smoothing Screeds, states a minimum thickness of 25 mm above the underfloor heating pipes should be achieved. Generally, this equates to a minimum depth of 40 mm over the insulation board, or 50 mm when underfloor heating pipes are fixed on tracks. The Mobile Screed Factory has a number of preset batch designs to give the standard 20 Newton mix, right up to a high-strength 35 Newton compressive strength mix. For underfloor heating applications, liquid screeds are ideally suited because they fully encapsulate the heat source, thus ensuring excellent heat transfer to the surface. Sudanit 280 Alpha Hemihydrate Screed, used from 40 mm depth and thicker, is the most technologically advanced floor screed available, complying with the performance requirements of IS EN 13813. When our hemihydrate screed is batched on site to create a self-levelling pumpable floor screed, it takes up the water much more readily than a conventional anhydrite screed, mixing smoothly and almost completely crystallizing, up to 95% in 24 hours, rather than the 70% crystallization over 7 days for an anhydrite floor screed. This means that our hemihydrate screed is resistant to subsequent wetting, dries as quick as in 5 hours for light foot traffic, meaning no delays for follow-on trades, is stable with no segregation or latence, heats up quickly so it's like a radiator system underfoot. Screed is poured to levels and finished out using a tamping bar. The screed application is a clean, efficient operation and carried out by our skilled team to BS 8204 Part 7. Hemihydrate screed can take foot traffic in 5 to 6 hours in normal drying conditions. Our Alpha Hemihydrate screed needs to dry to 0.5% cm for final covering. Heat can be introduced after 48 hours by commissioning the underfloor heating system to speed up final drying time. Heat should be on for a period of time before wooden floors, vinyl or tiles are fitted. Your final floor finishing contractor should carry out a moisture test before final covering of screed using a suitably calibrated meter for our screed product, or we can assist by carrying out a moisture test for you. The use and specification of our screeds promotes a cleaner environment. The use of our screeds promotes using thicker floor insulation, as our screeds are generally applied between 40 and 50 mm thick, compared to traditional screed thicknesses between 75 mm and 150 mm. The thicker the floor insulation, the better U values achieved. Our hemihydrate is made of natural calcium sulfate, which is the purest gypsum binder available. This means we require less binder in our screed compared to using anhydrite binders, for example. Further, our screed requires no polishing or surface sanding after application. Therefore, no energy is wasted. The certified sands we use are produced locally, and by using our purpose-built Mobile Screed Factory, no sand or powder is wasted or lost on site. By introducing our Mobile Screed Factory, we have totally eliminated the need for paper packaging and pallets, thus further reducing waste and contributing to a healthier environment. Also, although we do need a water supply on site, we also bring 2,000 litres of clean rainwater with us, collected as fresh runoff from our warehouse at Enfield. Last but not least, you'll be delighted to learn gypsum products are among the very few construction materials where closed-loop recycling is possible. That is, where the waste can be used to make the same product again. Call Fast Floor Screed today for a no-obligation quote or to arrange a site visit.